Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing James Charles palette today. So let's see what creation I can make with this gorgeous palette. I picked it up on Friday. Picked it up at Ulta because I said I order it Tuesday, wait almost 2 weeks, pay shipping, or I just wait till Friday and go pick it up. So I'm glad I waited till Friday and did a small line and I got it. This palette is gorgeous. It has so many beautiful colors. I am going to create a look and hopefully it's something different. But look at that. Look at those colors. Hopefully it's something different than everyone else has created. I'm gonna try. Wish me luck. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining us. I'm a little goofy, a little funny, and a little retarded sometimes. So hey, if that's what you like, you're in the right place. So let's get started. I'm gonna try not to talk too much through this video because I don't want to make it long. I don't want you guys sitting there forever. But I'm gonna say a few things here and there, and at the end give you my thoughts on it. So let's get started. Isn't it crazy how when you just put your base on, just the beginning and just your brows, you're like, I look like a ghost. So I'm trying to put some colors in his eyes and put some lashes and a lip, even though right now I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss. Gloss is so good, so good. On my face I put Nars, the Radiant Foundation. I also used bronzer from Mercier, and let's talk real quick about this highlighter. I mean, look at that. That's like a glazed donut. It's delicious. It's from Ofra, and it's actually Pillow Talk, which is, if I'm correct, it is a collab with Nikki Tutorials. And look how beautiful that is. Like, whew, can we just, yeah, it doesn't do it justice. You have to see it in person. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm using that. I used Tatcha as a priming base. I used a bunch of things. Morphe setting spray to finish it off. But I'm going to list all that below. So anything that I used today, even the nails that I have, which they look kind of blue. Oh, there we go. Yeah, pick that up. These are gorgeous. I'm even going to list the nail polish I use below. The shirt, believe it or not, is from Wish. It was $4. $4 for this cute little shirt. And I figured it'd go perfect because I'm doing some bold colors. So let's get started. I zoomed you in some so you can be up close and personal and see all the little flaws. But that way you can see this a little bit better. So let's hope that by the end of the video my hair's curls still hold up. Let's hope. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish this up with some lipstick, and I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trophy Wife. And I'm going to go back to a goodie but oldie, and it's the Wet n Wild. This one is Fushia with blue pearl. I always loved this lipstick. Like, my daughter had me pick it out a long time ago. This is my second one. I actually have a third backup that I haven't opened. But I love this color, and you will see why. So this is my finished look. It's very colorful. I actually like it. It kind of blended all together in the beginning. When you are putting these colors on, you start thinking like, oh my God, this looks like a disaster. But once you blend them, and I'm talking about I blended and blended and blended. I didn't record it all because you would be here for forever if I did that. So it's just a lot of blending and going over the colors a few more times. The pigment in these eyeshadows are really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, they're really good. They actually blend it perfectly. I remember James talking about to do a patting motion, which I did. And then for the edges, I went ahead and blended that. And I was a little worried, like, is it not gonna blend? But it did. It blended perfectly. I have no complaints in the colors that I've used so far. There are so many more colors to be used. I was trying to go for the colors that were vibrant, you know, loud. Obviously, I'm not going to go to Walmart or go anywhere to the store out like this in public. Actually, I probably would sometimes because I am a little something else. But other than that, these are great looks if you are trying to, you know, not get noticed, but not in a way, yeah, get noticed on Instagram or any of your social medias. These will be the looks that you want to do. I'm wearing Lilly lashes, Miami. They're like the perfect lash. So when you want to see through the look, this eye started watering. It was driving me nuts, but I made it work. I still need to touch up like the eyeliner there, but I'm not even going to attempt that yet. You can't really notice. I'm going to try to do some pictures for Instagram and post it up today. And, well, today being Monday, you'll probably see this on Wednesday. So happy I bought it. I can't wait to use more of the colors and do different looks. But this is what I came up with, and I hope you guys like it, and I hope you enjoyed it. That's it. Alright guys, take care. Have a great one. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button so you know, that way you're like, oh, it's Jen. Okay. I mean, some of you get excited. Some of you be like, what? Lady, you nuts. But that's it. You guys take care.